please, 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 whatever you do, especially at our primary level, don't go down the road of inappropriate or unacceptable or insubordinate. These words, we overuse them. We say to little kids all the time, be appropriate. Was that appropriate? That's unacceptable. And what they're hearing is a big word based on what we are judging as inappropriate and unacceptable. I would much rather say to a child, if it's little, the word disruption is a big, if they're little, the word disruption is a big word. So I'm going to be careful and say, oh, that created some things so we couldn't hear. Or, oh, that really could have hit someone. And I know you're saying to me, oh yeah, like that child's going to listen to that. But they still need to hear that. But if they're hearing unacceptable, that was unacceptable. All they're hearing is, wah, 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 is a judgment call. They have no idea what unacceptable is. They might think they do,